Nego kugaithia muno ringi muthenya wa umuthi ningwenda gukugeithia na ngeithi cia mwathani ngwire ugeithie muno na ningwendete my viewer ndirenda kuona uria kurathi na mbere haha nikio kiratuma nyambe gutithio guo. I can see maybe we are having a little problem somewhere. So ni wega muno muthikiriria wakwa. Umuthi ni muthenya wa Saturday na ni thaa njega muno cia andu kuhuruka methikiririe kaundu ga kwaraniria. It is a very good time ya kwaraniria mundu na uria ungi na nikio ndoka twaranirie. Nguririkanie ni Grace wa Mwaura na ngaigua wega muno thiini wa Kristo Jesu na ngaigua wega na ngaigua ni nyendetwo ni Mwathani. So onawe ngetikia ni ukoretwo uri mwega na withayo kuma twerigana ni turari haha na turerana uhoro wa kubangaga maundu before kana ahead of time nigetha tukahota gukinyaniria goals citu na tukaachieve kiria turenda na turathie wega muno kwoguo umuthi it's my second episode na niguthie ndirathie ndikitio umuthi. I hope and I believe ati umuthi ni ngurikia episode ino yake ni tondu irari episode igiri harari yo ya mbere na riu ndinenge ya keri ngwenda guthie na mbere na gukwira mwiroreri karibu sana we urikuo uingirite na ushare ucio ungi na mwitane gwitana nigetha tuke twaranirie na nguririkanie ati kaundu karia ungika kega muno ga gutumurathimo na tuigue biu ni utwendete ni uthi hau like ucoke follow, be a follower na no nyende muno ugashiaga muno be a sharer too. And after that ukarikiriria na guthie on to our YouTube channel ugaka kindu gitagwo subscribe. Uhotani witu ni waku na no turina rwimbo rwati uhotani uyu ni witu hindi iria Sky Kibo iri korwo ya bararitio niwe muthikiriria kana mwiroreri na Ngai atumite thutha na njira nene muno. Baba thiini wa itũra Jesu Kristo nitwagucokeria ngatho ni tondu wa gutuhe mathaa mangi maguka kwaraniria korwo hamwe na ithuĩ korwo na muthikiriria korwo na mwiroreri korwo na ithuĩ na presence yaku korwo hamwe na ithuĩ. Amen nitwahoya rutha ngwenda gucokera undu ro umwe wa kiugo kia Ngai nigetha tondu topic ino yothe nginya turia tukumirikia umuthi turarindwo ni kiugo kia Ngai Luke chapter 14 and verse 28 up to 30 na nindirathoma ngauga mundu angikorwo arenda gwaka munara ri ambaga gaikara thi agatara mbeca iria akuhuthira niguo onekana ena mbeca cingeigana kurikia. Angiaga gwika uguo no aremwo ni kurikia thutha wa gwaka muthingi nao andu othe aria mari wonaga ni mari munyururagia makoiga atiri mundu uyu ambiriirie mwako akiremwo ni kurikia. That is our leading word iria igukorwo iri ya topic ino yakwa kana show ino yakwa ya kwaraniria na niyo turambiriirie nayo ria turambiriirie. Kwoguo turatigiriirie ati nigetha utuike successful no muhaka ugerie gwetha maundu maigana no muhaka invite andu aria ndikarika kanini karia turarigiriirie no muhaka wethe andu acio mari na umenyo na aria mathiete uguo maka excel wega no muhaka befriend nao no gerie kumetha na wisdom nene na kwenda gutuika aratao nigetha ona riria muri hamwe muikaranitie nao you pick their brain. That was one point. The other point was that you have to read books, and the other point you have to find out what they did to be so successful. And the fourth one is go on the internet, track down literature about people who have had success. And number 6 is dig to find things from reading. Dig to find things from reading. So today I'll pick from there. Now what I have today is a plan for your finances and like 3 more steps so that I can wind up. So to have a plan for your finances, you have to save money. That is point number 1. You have to save money. No muhaka ogie na undu wa gutuma undu wa wa gukuhotithia gusefu mbeca ciaku ndungiriaga mbeca ciaku ciothe kana ndungihuthagira mbeca ciaku ciothe o uria cigana kana nĩ igana rĩmwe. Let us start from the lowest. Kana nĩ igana rĩmwe wĩna rĩo sefu 10 na ũhe Ngai 10 na nĩ twambĩrĩrie hau. So always make sure you are saving. Tondu saving ndĩrĩ yanyiha. Ũngĩ save chiringi o mũthenya. Kũrĩ andũ mana save mbeca nyingĩ mũno in a save box coins. Na nĩ njiguaga athuri aingĩ manauga hĩndĩ ĩyo ya kabere atĩ nĩ karimũ getagwo karimũ tondu gatiũĩ kũhũthĩra mbeca gaikio gacigaga ũguo nĩkĩo getagwo karimũ. Nĩ karimũ tondu gaikio maciringi gatiũĩ gũcio debts. Pay off all your debts. Leke ũkageragia kũrĩha ũkarĩha mathirĩ maku. Okay, ne internet drona erede nikyo ndirahinda uguo ngamba ku make sure kana turathie na mbere. I just want to make sure that we are on the right track because I can see we are having a little problem with the internet. I apologize for that. I can see our internet is somehow low. So, okay, I think we are back. So the second point is pay off all your debts. No mpaka o make sure atire nduri na mundu urathi na mathiri meiganirire o na thiri woyo we na thiri woyo riu ningi ni kaba wage go save no ndugakona debts tondu debts ithinagia mundu biu na ritwa riaku rigathuka no gakorwo we mundu uronekana atari responsible. Koguo undu wa mbere tia kwenda gutuika mundu wina mathiri everywhere you go. Andu ni marakuonaniria wina thiri woyo, ndukeria wina thiri, bengi wina thiri, kwa iria wina thiri, cukuru wina thiri, everywhere it's about debts. That is a very bad life and it is very desperate. Ni kindu kingikorwo gikiguthukiria muturire muno na ki affect ginya health yaku na life yaku ikorwo iri njuru muno. So what I'm saying is that paying debts is a very healthy thing to do. Ukageragia fi ukahanyukania ona utana save make sure ate pio noari hamathire. That is my second point about planning your finances is save money and pay off all your debts. Now doing that will keep you going. So today go to the next one, the next topic, the next heading or the head of the next thing is how to get out of debt and win. Ni uri ungihota kuma mathire-ini no twike muhotani kana o excel kana twike successful. In 5 simple steps, maundu matano mahuthu muno magutuma ukorwo utari na mathire na muturire waku ukorwo tuwa mathire. You build 3 to 6 months of expenses in saving account. Wabe ukorwo na kiambiriria kia mieri 3 up to 1 to 3 or 1 to 6 months. Ni ukuhota gwithima ukamenya ni ati ureka na kuraikara atia. Na undu ucio ni gutuma we ukorwo we mundu ri urehe discipline no ukamenyaga atiriri save kina na when you are saving we fail many times because we save and then go back to the saving when we are in need and we take the money, and that is why it is very advisable to keep in a safe bank or in a bank. These days banks are there. You can even start with as much little money as up to a little money like 100. Kore fegi rato ma ukwabiria go save na mbeca nini muno tutoria tene gwakira gono moko kona mbeca nyingi nigetha ukorwo kiambiria kuiga fegi kana ukorwo na fegi. Life is so easy now. When you do that, you invest 15% of your household income for retirement. And thirikari riria yandikaga andu ni mutinagio of maybe kuri andu matinagio 20% according to the system, the policy, kana we hihi uria ukihetwo all the choices cia kuga 15% hingo ciothe no agirwo ni ku invest nigetha riria ukaritaya na riria ugakota kuruta wira na riria ugakorwo we riu ndungihota kuhanyukania na muturire ni ugakorwo na mbeca ciaku we igire ni ugakorwo o invested household yaku ndikaria thina tondu niwe bangire tene tondu topic yaku erari count the cost and plan ahead. Koguo nginya retirement ni urendwo ukorwo wibangite ati andu akwa nie ndingigakorwo itario kana rira ndikuro na ndakinya miaka igana ndikahe mundu thina to ni ndebangire ona giko no he mundu thina ri ngahe andu o gathina kanini no ni ngakorwo hotete kwibanga na undu ucio ni mwega muno koguo o twaigua wambe wike saving account yaku mithondeke kuma mieri 3 nginya mieri 6 uka make sure wena kindu bengi ucokeri wambiririe kuiga 15% ya retirement yaku na ungikorwo wi mundu munini ni hindi uhikanite ni hindi wambiririe family because many of us turekora tatu made how but we are still there. No, if you are starting a family, start saving for your kids college, kids school, marriage, university ati magikarikia ni ukahota kumathomithia na ukavere tondu ni wahotire ku plan ahead no kihota ku count the cost no kihota ku save aya undu uri ungi ni ati pay off the house early rihaga nyumba yaku tene tondu uhoro wako kakuriha nyumba wagagagia mundu landlord no tume nginya uthuke kiongo tondu ngihingirwo kuburi wina ciana wina wewe kwina maundu redo wekire nyumba shelter ni kindu very important na nikyo Jesu ari uhoro ati ungikorwo wina shelter no korwo wina clothing no korwo wina irio cia kuria you are good to go utongo cio ngi ni urehagwo ni Ngai but the most important thing is shelter tondu wina shelter no umena hauja uhoe irio uke uikara shelter ini yaku urie shelter means somewhere where you stay. You have a house, you have an apartment, you have anywhere. Hado uraikara wena thayo na hado utarakorwo wena kiha tondu no hariheire. That is pay off the house early. Tiga kwenda ukorwo de wena mieri 5 wena mieri 2 wena mieri 3 thino cio ni nenehaga muno. No please pause ya gutuma ukorwo wi awina na kwiruta debt ini. Undu uri ungi ni ati na hindi yo na ndiraugite ati akorwo ni nyumba etha nyumba iria ikuiganeire mushara waku kana income yaku ria hana. Iyo ni discipline imwe njega muno ndugathi kwa nyumba ya 10,000 kana 20 na wanaga 5,000 no urikorwo we frustrated muno no korwo we na ihinda irito muno koguo the other thing is build wealth and give generously abiriria ri weka maundu mau abiriria ku build wealth riu na investment iria wekite na wira uria wandikitwo na biashara iria ciothe ureka riu abiriria ku build wealth yaku wega mutoni wa hari mbere ni wa count the cost no gicoka ningi riu ugituika mundu wa plan ahead na riu ningi no uhote gukorwo wi mundu urathi na mbere na gutonga kwambagiriria hari athi na gutonga ma ti gutonga ti ukaiguaga gutonga ni gukorwo we you are meeting your needs maundu maria mothe ungienda gukorwo namo ni uramamiti ni urahota kuriha nyumba ni urahota kuria ni urahota kwihumba ni urahota ona kuhe mundu ciringi 10 ni uhota go save na ni webangite uhoro wa retirement yaku ndugakiriage indo ciothe ucokage tugage ni warutaga wira tucokage tukuhothagire we need to be very very advised on that na to gather knowledge nyingi muno ya kwimenyerera have principles menyera kuigaga kanyamu kanini nigetha hindi iria kugikorwo uritaite ndukanakorwo wi murigo hari andu okay leu hani dauma how to get out of debt and win so riria weka maundu macio mothe ndakwira wega muno uhote kwambiria kuiga kuma mieri 3 nginya 6 withime ucoke invest 15% ucoke wambirie gusevera ciana ciaku ucoke ukamenyaga kanyumba ndukaga kuriha ugacoka riu ukambiriria gugiaka kwiyaka na kautonga gakura kaigana wona ngiri ukamenya no uratonga ciakinya 2 ukamenya riu ni uratonga biu ciakinya 10 ukamenya riu no uthiete pio na riu ona no uhe mundu ciringi 5 no uhe mundu 10 ndungireka mundu ararira riu ni wambiririe gutuika uria Jesu ugaga ati be penniless atuika mundu wa kuhe no iko wina mundu wina thina ndwa account the cost ndwekire planning ona ndungihota guteithia mundu tondu ugutura o uriraga thina so planning is so good na kuifanga gutwaranaga na Ngai wothe tondu Ngai ni endete mundu wina bibango ngwire kaundu kamwe that our God is a God of order and ni akenagirira andu akerira me ina no ndari we you are in order ati you have kept your ways in order nyureka maundu in order Ngai ni akenaga muno tondu one thing he is a God of orders ni aigaga maundu make ndehingicanagia okay kuma hau ndenda tuthie hau hange hetagwo from knowledge to conviction leu twa gather knowledge yoyo theriuri twagatha knowledge eyo yothe piuri na ne twagia nayo na ne twathoma ne twathie mabuku-ine ne twanana na andu aria mathiete makaeze winners aria mawinite na no kuwini marawini mathiete na mbere na kuwin ne twamoria ne twathie buku ne twathie internet ne twa dig into books ne twageria guthie kurora maundu ne twohiga muno twacoka ne twambiriria gwika maundu maria magirire twambiriria riu ku manage finance itu riu twoka tuli winners riu twagia na knowledge iyo ri riu turaingira handu hetagwo conviction riu ugatuika convicted gwika maundu riu. Once you count the cost and find a plan, you will have knowledge. Okay. However, knowledge alone, get here. How kururira? Wagia na knowledge tondu tariu no ngithome na ndarwo ndagia na knowledge ri eyo tio riu iradita mainire yiki. And I have noted it here like, however, knowledge alone won't be enough. Githomo kiu giothe no menyo cio wothe na mataro mothe na kwenjera muno gutingihota gukinyia hari urakinya heho iki. You have to put knowledge into practice now. No muhaka knowledge iyo wethete murata wakwa na mundu wa Ngai we muge muno na wendete Ngai muno na wikaga maundu o witigirite Ngai tondu mundu witigirite Ngai athiaga wega muno. Ngai nyamuyaga breakthrough kuri athie Ngai akamu connect na andu makumuteithia Ngai akamu connect na internet kundu ugathi gukora wahingura handu ma kiuge ukenderio hau uguo tondu Ngai ni agutongoretie wega muno. Ndikwenda turiganirwo ati maundu ma mothe tureka twikaga na Ngai na kuri ciiko ciikagwo nginya ni andu matari ahonoku njega muno itumaga mundu excel muno tari mundu tari muhonoku na ndaubulite Jesu ni mwathani agitwika wa kurutaga tithe yake 10%. Mwathani ndaugite ati andu ahonoku nio magino kuruta 10%. Koguo rimwe ri twikoraga mundu ahonokire na aturagwo na thina tondu you have not acted and you have not practiced the principles of God and the principles of your own. Iria wagirirwo ni gwika. The principles of God is that give 10%, and I always repeat that. Toni ni joy 10% ne hinguraga mirango. Riu macio mangi ni maya turathoma. Uhoro wa kwibanga, uhoro wa kumenya hari uraiga, uhoro wa kwiruta debt-ini, uhoro wa gutwika kwaga gutwika wetagwo what sped spirit hari kaundu getagwo na githungu kuhuthira mbeca na njira itari njega. Ni mukimenya githungu giki ni guthoma twathomire. Nie ni njuga mundu aigua ndatondoira na githungu akamenya githungu giki ni guthoma ndathomire na no hitio ndagiko yothe. Koguo riu twauma hau twaga atiriri knowledge kidengihota no nginya ikirwo into practice na riu hau niho riri. That is where the rubber meets the road. Hau niho riu meetaga knowledge na come put into practice. That is where the rubber, how niho the rubber emitaga the road. Ciere riu kuguru kwa ngari na ramika nyita no tondu ciere riu no nginya itwarane wega muno. Okay. Ndiretekia macambiki mari kuo na ningwenda gucokera o ringi gutambura macambiki makwa tondu nie ni nyendaga muno gutambura macambiki na umuthi reke njokere o ure na mbireca ici nie ndiragwetha mbireca ici erwo ni mundu mena Jeff Melodies ndiramenya na kuria mari Eliud Kimani ndirahupu umuthi urikwo Beatrice Rose wa Mbugu ndakuona wikuo Ngai arokurathima Keti thengio nari angiothe mari kuo Mburu ucio ni ndiramenya ni wakuo muno na hari ari no arathikiriria Jose Njau Kuria wa Mbuira o Chris Gathama Maketi Mburu James Ipe Georges Morris Mobi Beth Nyakio Dedan Maina Dr. Wise Bon Peter Maina Waithera Ng'ang'a Frida Rwa Mwashamu ni ndirenda gukuona riu nikio ndiragwita Mike Shuo Eliud Karaja Patricia Dahira Kelvin Focus Uche Franco andu acio na ngeige muno ni ndirenda mumenye atiriri ni ndiramenya mwiho na ni njui ni muthikagiriria na ni njui ni mutwiroragira riu ndirenda riri pati wengi tuhurirwo rwimbo rungi producer wakwa ni akuhura rwimbo na ahura rwimbo rumwe na ni ndona riu internet itu ni yagirire riu ndina gathina haria haguthiete ugu ndukamake we ukeyumiriria muno ukamenya era is human na indo ici ithondeketwo ni moko ma mundu. Well, what a song. Riu ni rwimbo rwega muno rwa ndimuririkane. Ucio ni muini uraina na muini ucio etagwo uyu urona ikarite ha wetagwo Grace wa Mwaura na ni Grace wa Mirera Mwaura tondu no woni andikitwa rwimbo-ini Grace Mirera ni ritwa ria my father na Ngai akandathima na muthuri wetagwo Mwaura. Koguo Grace Mirera Mwaura my full names. So we borrow what we at we muririkane 2021 because we are preparing ourselves. It's never too late. We are only on February. We are in February, so we are not late. Na not hote kwambiria kwifanga 2021 tukorwo twina resolutions ya fata muno na maundu mega muno. Koguo rwimbo rwakwira we muririkane, and I want to prophesy to you because I can prophesy. Prophesy comes from the mouth, because you can always use your tongue to prophesy. You can always go talk good things to you and to other people. And I want to talk a good thing, and I want to prophesy to you. When I'm sitting in this office, this year, this new year, 2021, ni ugukorwo wi mundu muririkane. Na ni ndirona uri muririkane niki. Ona horo waku ka kibindi niki ukatwaranirie uigue uria wagirwo ni gukorwo ukibanga. Don't you think you are already remembered? Already ni uririkane turanjira ya magegania muno. Koguo ri Mothibochethi atura rodimba na rwembo ru muka ruthikagiriria maita maingi. Ni ne kwihurira ndebe ugathia maita maingi ukahura rwembo ru no geka kindu gitagwo subscribe nigetha ukaririkana ati maundu ma ono gituroriganiire tari uriganiire miaka maingi muno nduri weka kaundu thukumaga ikiumbukaga ndurikaga ati nduri plan. The way muririkane mwaka wa 2021, you can always save, you can always come back to your senses and be another new person. This Ella. Na Ngai no agwike wega muno. So, ne twatigirira ati to knowledge iki no mwaka to me put into practice. Now what we need to do is that we need we all need to do something deeper than knowledge. Na eo niyo etagwo netrani dikido witagwo conviction niyo yukaga egakindira uhoro wa knowledge na tukambiriria kumirutithia wira riu conviction ri ni uria uiguaga kiundu giki wina kio nikitumaga watuka convicted ukoya ikinya rimwe riega muno. Can I read something here? Once I begin to act on what I believe, I am committed to it. Hindire ndambiriria ku act hari uhoro wa knowledge ino ndagatha kiria giothe nguhete kuma ira no muthi kiria giothe nguhete wakwa ni guthikire na aria mari foraga akaforu wega no kanuti tundu tuothe na ugotwika muthomi mwega muno uthikagiriria uhoro uyu urario ukarikia ndugathikiriria ugacoka gatagati-ini ukautiganiria foru uhoro ucio nginya urikaniririe naguo na reke nguhe thiri imwe ungigakorwo ni buku urathoma iyo buku ndungimenya uria irauga utarikitie so ona tari wogyoka show-ini ya ukatwaranirie umeiguo hanini urecokaga nginya kwaria ndetotoi tondu uiguire hanini. You need to go with it from the start. Episode ya mbere neno ya keri ucinyitithani na nima ni ukugatha knowledge nyingi muno iyo ndirauga tondu tuothe tuthiite tukiaragia ungire pieces icio ciothe hamwe together you come up with a very good thing na niho Jesu gatiriri ukuhota kurugama na wake kinyumba kiega muno munara mwega muno a very strong tower area egutura hau tene na tene koguo ri ndiru nitwagatha knowledge niguo njugire na nitwame put into practice knowledge you must be confident. Because when you are confident and you feel that I feel kabisa I'm really convinced, I'm fully convinced that I can do this, ukabiriria gutwika committed to that thing that you are doing. What did you start? What are you planning to start? Because now we are in February and you have decided as from now, March, what are you deciding to do? Nyukoriyokia kioneki kiria wari nakio. Dream yaku uturite orotete miaka iyo yothe nukwambiriria riu kumiambiriria from step ria turambiririe nigetha tuke uguo nginya riu haha conviction tutuike committed. Because commitment involves our emotions. Listen to me. Kururira hau Ngai gweka wega kururira hau. Our commitment, kana commitment by itself, it involves our emotions, our mind, and will. They are all working in conjunction with one another. They all work in conjunction to one another. It does show that emotion, mind, and will. Irutithanagia wira ciothe nigetha riu wambiririe gutuika mundu wambiriria gukorwo wina meri na mundu wihandite na mundu tangeinainio ni mundu na mundu wina kaundu gake wina kanyumba gaku karumu imwe ma no ni uhotaga gukariha na ni uhotaga gukorwo ukagurire gati gathaka rakoni kamwe na ni ugathambagia gagathira na gitanda giaku hari ukomaga ni githeru muno so you can walk shoulder high now we went if you I am committed to this ategaka ndithambagia na ngabanga giti giki giakwa ndagurire na gitire thire listen to me gategaka ndagurire ka ngiri gatire na thire nyumba ino yakwa ni ndihaga now I'll be committed to what I am doing tondu ni joy already ni ndina meri ndingiumagara na hau ya thire gacira ka waru tondu hari mundu na thire wake no ni ndingimaka tondu randi ndakungora na ndingimaka tondu ni ndi hostetwo ni mundu na ndire kwa mundu arahe kanyumba ni nie mwenyewe ni undu wa ni ndakauntire the cost na ngiplan ahead koguo I can be independent on my own and that is what we want everybody to be mundu wothe kono kuhoteke andu ari othe urona guku na ndiraugire atiriri na ninyendaga ngeria gatwara maundu ngaribana ngacoka back ati kuri muikarire kuri no ukorwo we na status iri njuru muno ni undu wa kiundu kiahanikire kiria gitangigiririka how tutire mundu tungire tondu nake ngai kuri maundu mamwe agarekagereria kana mundu gake you know life igagukinya handu hariho if you are healthy and you can work na ni urona mushara mwisho wa mweri as much as little you are earning you can still plan and count the cost na ungiota kuikara nyumba yaku ya ngiri imwe na kanyumba kau ndwangaga kuriha to mbeca irio thukumaga ni thukumaga irio thukumaga no cigane kuriha nyumba ngiri imwe na no uhote gukona gatanda ga gukoma na wina tukuo twakura thambie tugathera muno ugacoka ni wihakaga maguta ona akoti magoro gacaini muno riu no kiaria waragia na confidence oro wamenya ngure kaundu kange itanarikiriria to ni nguthie ndikitie mundu utari thire aragia na confidence ona ari gatagati-ini kandu ona angikorwo hana ati atari thire aragia na confidence no mundu wina thire one hubete thutia thaka muno one thambete akoragwo na guoya ndaragia muno andu arangi makiaria tondu you don't know the next minute what will happen oguo nikio twendu to deal na gukorwo utai na mathire no hote gucevaga mbeca ndu wa muthenya uria moru no hote gucevu nginya cia maica-ini maku ma thutha-ini retirement yaku whatever you are doing and wherever you are kiri ureka na kuri uri riu no muhaka hahori haditamaini na muririkana ndiramwirire hinya uri ubukagia ndege niguo umeikaragia riera-ini nginya gathie destination nayo achievement itu kia mwico witu waditamainire kiambiriria-ini na kiambiriria-ini gitu ni kubanga maundu na kumarehe together na kumenya ni riu ni I am not forever iria itumaga maundu moke magathuka I hope guy thank you Lord maundu magathuka mangithuka ri nitukumenyaga hindi yo fiu wetwite na ndore mbura matu na ndweyanangite wako we mwanake ndweyanangite tubeca twaku ndurona ugitwaraga maundu-ini matari mega ati we mwanake wambiriria guthukuma the first thing you do ni guthi gwetha iretu aria thaka muno ni kunywa njohi muno ni kwiyananga na muturire no we are talking about a person ungikorwo ainifofetwo aria involved na maundu matangihoteka kugiririka you can have a cancer then you can be sick you can ona muingi the community ne understandaga negative in no ngikorwo uthukumaga na wathukuma mbeca ciaku ni cia maica na nginya na kwihumba ndumenyaga tondu mbeca ciaku twaraga kirabu kana utwaragira atimia kana kutwaraga please be yourself and be principled twika mundu uri na mitugo miega na mundu wina common sense na mundu wina what do we call it mind ciaku ni njega hari rito ndiracaria sober mind thank you be a person with sober mind be a person of sober mind like utigage gukuo ni influence ya andu ona ikowe mwanake na anake aigiro na riu mari irabu-ini miugithine na gutimiuru gukenari once in a while it's not bad aka weekend no uthi ukene no ndukeyanange ndugathiege gukomba mafaini ugakona thire nginya munene kuri mucara ukanyita watwika ngombo ya mathire hau niho turarigiriria I just want to train you ati etwika mundu no ngithie wenyuire ona ko ni uri ati no mako kenyuire kenyue chufa igire ciaku handu ucoke uinuke tige guthie kwiyananga uriyagwo nginya uyagwo mbeca nginya riu nduona naguo ndungigurira ugatwika ngombo njuru muno. I want you to come to pull yourself out from this fire. Werute kimwaki-ini giki tiga kuhira hau uthire. Tiga gukorwo hau kimutondo-ini kiu ati ona tungigeria gukugucia gutingihoteka tondu we harukirie muno. I want you to withimage, have limitations cia maundu maria. When you are spending your money, do it with wisdom. Do it with na kiwango kingi gia gwithima muno na kumenya ati ndathi kunyua njohi ya ngiri 5 na gwakwa ona ngiri itigite. Ona ciana ciakwa itire cukuru, mutumia wakwa ndangiona kindu gia kugura irio, turi atarukire muno esa family kana ni ndi mwana kiona ndire gakuo kangi no tondu ndirathukumire ringi ona nake mararuta wira muritu muno muritu mawira ma moko ugacoka kora mundu ucio ndara plan na tufecha tu urathukuma no kanogia mwiri waku no turaugire you must accept go struggle na guthira pain maundu macio mothe ni njaritie ira ati no muhaka uthie through struggle wako ugucagia nyamu ino ni wega tumogie na ngari tondu mbeca icio uragucia mukokoteni nacio ungici save mama at the end of the day ni ukauma mukokoteni icio na weke undu mwega na wige ka business gaku. Am I talking something? Am I talking to somebody? I need to talk to somebody. So odorio ge ndirenda ututhie turikiriirie ri na I have like 15 minutes or 10. Ndenda riu twatuika conflicted ni horu ndakiuga we must be committed. Emotions ni gutauga na mind na will. Emotions ciaku ndugatuike mundu wa gutuikaga so emotional na wako we wira-ini we emotional ona gutire kundu ikaraga wira tondu we nduri mundu wina hinya wa gwitiria nditi ginya cia shaitani ginya cia ndu ginya cia ki we mundu emotional. Okay, things are very maundu mangene so emotional. But ni kuri emotions tungihota kurigiriria tiga gutuikaga mundu wena emotions every time waririo ni boss yaku ni utwikire emotional mwagena conflict kidogo wira-ini na the other staffs ni utwikire emotional ni ta mundu wiguagira tha mundu riraga mundu hana kaundu kau. Emotional is very wide. I can talk of emotions any other time as a separate topic. Mind yaku ri, how have you set your how is your mindset? Umesetete atia wiciragia atia hakiri-ini ciaku ri undu uria wiciragia no uhote kuweka tondu it's all about the mindset. Nigetha mundu atuike successful ri it comes from your mindset uria umesetete. Computer ya kiongo giaku ri umesetete atia wina ngiri imwe kana wina 500 ri ni wambagiriria gwiciria outside the box. Magana matano no wabagia gucira ure unge utilize moke maingaingi no mongerere 50 mongerere 20. Can you do something with 500? What very good thing can you do with 500? Ni joe beca ni cia twikire ni ciagire fario muno, but there was a time 500 was money. And I want to say you cannot force life. Agikorwo wandikitwo we muiritu wa wira no heagwo ngiri 8 na wina twana no muhaka mbeca icio ni nyingi muno ungihota guthie as per your standard. Plan ndituma o costing utara cost na ku plan ahead guiganira kanyumba kaiganona tona twakwa tudethia cukuru tukaria na mwarimu ngari hona na ndikwenda thire tondu thire ni gutuma nginya ne muri kuruta wira. That is the mindset. Na ndakwira andu mari kuonaga ona mundu agiuka gukuhoya kirira ni no ngene muno mundu agiuka kuhoya kirira tondu that will make me healthy. Ndathi kuhoyo kirira tondu ni hotete nenda mind yakwa kana meciria makwa ndamasetire ati ni ndi muhotani ni ndi successful ni no hote na gwire undu ngeitana thie muno. Always prophesy to yourself. Always confess positive things to you. Wira thagire maundu mega iguaga ona kwina thina I can still make it na no uhote kuma hau uri no thie kiwango kiu kingi na hari mwanake winaga atiriri ati hapa nilipo sasa tiho ndoto yangu ni guthie kiwango kingine. Always set your mind that you are moving on and you are going into another level. It is from one glory to the other. The word of God says that God takes us from one glory to another na nema neguo kuma riri uyo nginya uri ongi kuma kanyumba ine ga gukombora nginya kanyumba ine gaku kuma kanyumba ka gukombora ka rumu imwe nginya ka rumu igiri kuma ka rumu igiri nginya ka rumu ithatu kuma wira-ine wa kuhura nguo nginya ri wa kuiga thoko kuma wira-ine wa thoko nginya kuiga nduka kuma nduka nginya kuiga supermarket kuma supermarket kuiga ithatu you see that kuma moithikirine kivi gari igiri. You know, it is always about the mindset. Now, you are saving, you are doing what you are taking care of yourself. Mindset you can eat very cheap food and very healthy. Nyeni ne kindu kia maana muno mwiri-ini wa mundu mai matire goro ni mega muno matunda ona mo ni available no uhote kuriaga itunda rimwe muthenya as you work riria urautithia hakiri ciaku wira muno na ni urauta wira wa hinya muno ningi ndugasefu wage kwiima mwiri uyu ri uhe tondu niguo gutuma usefu muno ni ndingirigane hau nigukwira atiriri mwiri uyu waku na niguo hekaru ya Ngai ri umemenyerere nginya na kuhe irio kuri andu they work and they never eat. That is a sin. Tondu Ngai atuhete irio cia kuria na hindi ri uratesa mwiri waku na kwaga kuria ndunginywa mai uturaga kiumia kigima nduru wanywa mai tondu uri uhangire na ndwariganirwo. Do you know water is life. Ono nginywa mai maingi muno ucoke uri tunyeni tunini no ugu survive no riu andu angi maturagio ni kagumu na macoka magatura ona mai matikunywa ni kwari araji nigetha save 500 aca mundu wa Ngai gura nyeni cia 50 na kanya ona kanyama gakihoteka no ni ndenda kwira andu muno nyama no njega no andu ni maria nyeni na matunda na irio iria ciagire nturi uka topic ine ya kuria healthy no ne nyitithanagia maundu maingi muno tondu maundu ndatua kwaria marehaga mangitherukagwo ni maundu tondu maundu mothe ni matwaranaga na ni wega maundu mothe ni matwaranaga kwa wega kuri aria mendete Ngai. I like that. So na your will reuri wa set mind yaku ri na emotions yaku ikorwo ni emotions positive ri ucokaga le will yaku ni willing. I'm willing to do this. What can me rain or shine, I will do this and I will excel. I will overcome and I will do it. Okay, what really outcome yaku umirorethere iyo guo ni takanya ugakenda kunyita bia na kalori gine ko ri ihenya-ini kalori gaka no gukanyita ni will yakwa ni kurikia. So when you are willing, you will be very successful. Na kwaga gukua ngoro na gutuika patient. It's all about patience and being very patient na kumenyaga ati maundu mothe mationagwo just like that. Frauire timugate na bata asha andu angi mendaga marikia cukuru magathi guikara gwa tatawe moyage remote magaonaga TV. Think wide. Have a big mind. Ono tari na ciringi ona emwe meciria na uge mandiko maugaga uge ni utonga munene muno because when you are wise you will do something, you do exploit, you have an awesome life ahead of you. So willing ni kindu kiega muno na icio ciothe ndauga irutithanagia wira hamwe uhoro wa emotion na mind na will irutithanagia wira hamwe na gutire ndungihota gwika undu uyu utari na uyu ungi mind, emotions and will. So sometimes wills can be broken though by harvest of circumstances. Rimwe wills kana wendi witu ni ugiukaga ukabreakwo ni circumstances imwe ikoragwo ire tough muno, and those are the things that I'm talking about. Kuri maundu mangiuka and we cannot learn away from them because nuguo muturire uhana na kungihana uguo ri. What is it that can drive us so hard for so long? Just conviction. It is our conviction. Conviction itu niwe gituma tuhote guthie muno, niwe ngihota gutuma tuigue ni tukuikara ha so long. Ni undu ndiko tiga ni ngenaga muno ni kuigua mundu ati I have been doing this business for 10 years, I've been in this business for 30 years. Tondu naguo undu ungiako urumiririe na rihotera ugirio haria kabere ati kwambagiriria gaka eithi kwa uthi kuruga kuri uyu ungikuota ukona utimwega ugathie ndukamenya ni atia wendaga na ndukamenya ni atia mwega. Stick to what you're doing nigetha ukihe horo ucio miaka 3 nukamenya undu uyu njikaga wina umithio kana nduri. Na this applies to everybody. Ono gitura we kanitha ta miaka 3 na gutire mushirika ukaga ri. Now it's your time to think twice no agirwo ni gwicokeria wone haha kwari ri ni ndathuririo nduria ni ndendaga ni ndireka nduria wagiriire ndukeno to ndakingangana nayo miaka 5 no thire ngombaga ndarikia kukomba ngoyo ngiri am I doing the right thing tondu ngikioya roni ria mbere ri iu ambiriwo ni kwirihira na roni rwarika ri gukorwo we ndugukomba roni rungi tondu already ni utwikite mundu uhotete kwirugamia so all these things together itumaga maundu maitu magire muno riu tungikiambiririo haria kabere twaugire wega muno twambage gutara cost tugatara na tuga count ahead tugacoka tukamenya ati tutiri mundu wendaga kwambiriria ata ni review utiri mundu wendaga kwambiriria ati nigetha agwe aca no riu ningi kuri maundu matu ha gatagati ni matugiaga muno ciuria ni ngahota kana ndikahota andu makauga atia maundu macio mothe na guoya wakwa gagwika na riu ningi ndurenda ku risk ndurenda gwicommit ndurenda ona kwambiriria ndungitwika riu successful tondu ungikigia na guoya ugirio kunene haya we mundu spends free we mbeca ciaku ona ndui gucitara ndui gucibanga ona nduri kabengi na nduri account tondu ndungihota ni uwi andu meciririe no muhaka ugithii kuhingura bengi ukorwo na 10,000 ndwambiririe na magana macio matano wina mu nduthio na wako no mbuku ukugura tugure ikare ku nigetha next time ni ugatwara igana kuo maundu mako no tuhote ithuothe kumeka nginya ni tondu me I talk from experience maundu mangi ni experience and experience is the best teacher before it comes to that and you are so lucky that today I'm talking about this koguo we otari uraharuka mathire-ini we otari uraharuka kuremwo we otari ureyananga it is your golden chance it's your golden opportunity kuoya undu uyu na ugi uyu kaugi gaka ndina kogu kanini ndirakuhe haha na uhote we ku implement maundu maku wega muno na kureka marike na gukwa we mundu wa bata muno anake aitu agikuyu na anake aitu everywhere muthemba wothe every tribe in Kenya anake youth young men and young women Kei tucenjie mwiciririe let us change our attitude rekeri twambiririe gwiciria muno atiriri niki twagirwo ni gwika rekei tutige kunywa muno rekei tutige ikeno nyingi muno nicio cikingihire muno ta kuria ri gwitu na city capital ikeno iri kuo ni nyingi muno ikeno icio ti njuru tondu mandiko no marakiuga ati kiria Ngai akuhete ri ni ugikenerere but we do tugikena ni tuthiega next mile tugakora ni kwiyananga tweyananga na tweka maundu maria matagirire mbeca ciaku invest kura kwagereire tiga guthi gucikia ciothine tiga guthi gucikia njohine tiga guthi gucikia hikine tiga guthi gucikia maundu-ini matari mega na kurumirira group itari njega now hari undu itakwenda kurigana gukwira nigetho twike successful ndenda gugucokerera ringi no mwako kona arata successful no mwako kona arata makwiraga wahitia no mwako ukorwo wi mundu witikagira kwirwo wahitia you take rebuke you accept rebuke tondu ngiaka gukorwo ndukurebuke na ndukwirwo mahitia you are proud na mundu pride comes before a fall ungitwika pride wage gutwika mundu wa guthikagiriria muno handu ha kwaria muno no uricoka pride yaku kuguithie na murumo waku iguo kunene muno so one thing ehutia pride and make sure you are doing the right thing tweka mundu advisable tweka mundu ongirwo kaundu aigue na nindirakurire ningi be cautious tugathi gutarwo ni mundu we otari wahota mundu uturaga ari murevi ni atige gugutara mundu uturaga ndari akorwo na mucini atige gugutara mundu utakoragwo na musimamo wa maundu ndagire decisions yekaga ndugetikire guta thie kuri mundu rona ni ahandite and a place rothereria rataku muno niko magutwarithagiriria ni ate makwiraga mweke undu ucio makwiraga mweke ri we na faida rucio all those things you need to think about them sit wete kamucemanio no kinye tene na wakinya tene na monake wetagwo Njoroge akeragwo ni njugaga uguo akeragwo ni njugaga uguo ugaga ati kamucemanio ugakinya no ukeita kamucemanio wakinya tene tondu we niwe mwene mucemanio na niwe ureita na niwe ugwicota uta niwe kwiruta irima-ini riria uri gutire mundu kaingi ungiaga kwiruta irima-ini riria uri na gwiciria na guhiga na guthoma na guthikiriria no ukorwo wi mundu twigakinya gukuruta ri we ni kiongo kiratongerera thiini na tutikwenda ukinye hau akoro kinyete maguru-ini ri gucia maguru maku meri withambe maguru hau makinyete hau uguo kianda riu wambiririe ku walking is kuga when you are walking you are not standing at least you are doing something You are doing something. You are doing something. Na ndirona roda ni ukire ku mwena Ruth Muthoni na nginya ni mwekire wega muno ni gugiuka hau ndaigua ndake na muno na uhoro ucio ni wa magegania tondu andu mari guka ni magiteithikaga muno andu acio ni macambiki maitu mabata muno na ndimwendete muno na Wachira Grace we kwanja we ni njui hau uguo na no urakeigua ndeto ici no kauga hau mathi uri TikTok ndeu ni wega muno kwoguo so thank you so much na mukoro muri andu arathime muno muthenya wa umuthi and until next time my next time is Fridays and Saturdays the same time US is 12 p.m. during the day 12 p.m. that is Fridays and Saturdays Kenya ne tha igire cio tuko mwiroreri wakwa ndukariganirwo ni uguo mathaa makwa mamenye muno nigetha ukage tukaraniria ndiagaga kanyamu ngithendura uthie nako kanini no uri thendura kanyamu woka twaranirie hahari no turitha na ria turathikiriria hau ri mugakinjaragiria mukanjiraga atiriri kaundu kahana na hau ni turakeigua mama na ndikenaga muno ni kuona ati we are communicating na tondu tuthiite wega muno na kiambiriria giki ni kiega muno ri woka ni ndagwitikiria kunyandikagira hau Facebook njiraga ura kurathie njuria kiuria na ni tugukena muno ngwenda gukuririkania ringi please our followers we itulura ikuria riu nituthie riu twarikia ku follow tuthia riu tuthiaga kuria gwitagwo our YouTube channel Sky Kibo TV ugathie hau karora karoko kauga thaka muno ka papo ugathie ugeka kindu gitagwo subscribe na wa subscribe no rituikaga notified about everything that is coming like is a very good any show anytime why gira Sky Kibo wakora no undu no urathi na mbere you just like na tondu nduri mwendi uhana tani tondu ni ndamenya kaundu gakanjuka ngakurehera ri ndukie nayo share to somebody and you'll be blessed so God bless you and God bless you so much wega wa mwathani witu Jesu Kristo na wendani wa Ngai na yo ngwataniro ya roho mutheru iroikara na ithiru na hingo ciothe amen I salute you thank you so much bye